Hey guys, Rhett here down in Birmingham, and boy do I have something in store today for you. I have a client that has this property behind me under contract for $36,000 is the contract price. It needs $65,000 in rehab. It needs a new roof. You guys are gonna see why when we go inside. I absolutely love it. Not for $36,000. We're 100% gonna have to go back and negotiate something significantly lower, somewhere probably between the 15 and 20,000 mark. But being into it for 65K in rehab, being all into it for about 80, 85, I think we can sell this thing 110, 115, no problem, as a 4-bedroom and get whoever buys it, if they want to put a Section 8 tenant in there, they can put somebody in here for $1,400 a month, easy. Okay, so this video is going to be a little unlike other videos that I've done in the past. I cannot breathe in here. I refuse to talk and breathe while I'm in here. The reason is cats, dogs, urine, feces, you name it, it's in there, it's on the floor. I don't know if people are coming in here at night and lighting fires to keep warm, but if you see some of the ceilings in the living room and some places, they have burn marks and smoke marks on the ceilings. That's probably what's going on. Cigarette butts on the floor. People are coming in here, they're smoking. They're probably using the restroom. I don't even know. I don't want to think about it as I'm going to walk through here, but I do it for you guys. You know, I do it for you. Why I'm coming here and doing this, I don't know. My poor people who are here with me are like, what are you doing? We have to go back into this nightmare. We're going to go in, okay? I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to have you see what's happening in here. I want to show, I'm going to point to things. If you, whatever you guys think in the comments, if you have questions, type them in the comments and I'll answer them. I have to do a video of this house because I have to have you guys see the stuff that we do. So when I come back here and do a video of what this is gonna look like when it's done, you guys appreciate it. That's why, all right? The cleanup alone on this is probably gonna cost, just to get the junk out of here, we're probably looking at $3,000 to $5,000. And then to get the actual urine and feces smell out of it, it's borderline squalor conditions in here. You're talking about literally $10,000 just for that. So we're gonna do what we can. We have some structural issues. The roof is bad. We need all new cement work in the front to go up here. This room, I'll tell you right now, because I'm not talking at all, it's filled with junk. As you can see, it's got trash everywhere. But the reason I'm showing it to you is we're gonna turn this into a bedroom. So these are windows operating on the other side. So we're gonna turn this into a bedroom in here, okay? Build a closet in there, and this is gonna be our 4th bedroom. So guys, let's head on in. We are gonna be in there quick. The neighborhood is beautiful. Let's take in this neighborhood. The neighborhood's super clean. Everything looks really, really good. Everyone takes care of their yards. They take care of their homes. Everything is in really, really good shape here. So I really like the ARV for a couple different reasons, but that is one of them. Just the actual work that needs to be done inside the house is bad. Now, actually, you know what? Since we can't go in the house, let's go to the back of the house too, because once we get out of this house, I'm not sticking around. I'm running to the car and we're getting out of here ASAP. So, as you guys can tell, there's junk everywhere. There's trash everywhere. There's tarps on the roof where water is coming in. We have an active leak coming in there. So definitely needs a new roof up there. And it's always sad, guys, when houses go down like this, especially in good neighborhoods like this. But all this junk needs to be removed. Okay, all this junk, we're gonna trash everything back here. It comes with a shed. All right. All this junk here too, guys. This is another bedroom with a bunk bed. So when we go inside, just so you guys know. All right. Okay, we're gonna run inside. Remember, I do this for you guys, okay? Do it for you.
You guys are lucky.
I'm not doing this for me, I promise. But I want you guys to also see that this stuff is salvageable if you're willing to do it. And there is a lot of money to be made. The lockbox is gone. There was an eviction notice posted by the sheriff on the door. It has been ripped off. I don't even think it's there. Okay. Sheriff, Jefferson County. It was locked at one point. Somebody ripped it off. Okay. So there's no lockbox. The code isn't going to work because there's no lockbox. So guys, we are literally going to go in here and get out. All right. Look at the floors. There's probably human feces, but there's dog, cat feces. It's horrific. It's a bad scene.
God.
Oh my God. Holy crap. Wow. My goodness gracious. Whew, you can smell it out here. And listen, I've smelled a lot of bad things in my life, I promise. I go in houses like this all the time. It's the pet and it's the urine, it's the cat urine and the ammonia in the urine that makes it so unbelievably hard to breathe, and it's so bad for you to breathe in. So it's that coupled with there's rotting food and meat in that kitchen that's all decomposing. It's got to be in that refrigerator. But we're gonna get in there, we're gonna take care of all of it. We're gonna turn this thing into a way to make money, I absolutely promise. So guys, please leave your questions and comments below. I'll get to all of them. We'll see you next time.